You pull me in like gravity. You do. Changing the way that my body moves. It's true. Without the moon, there'd be no wave. Without the stars, there'd be no space. When I got you by my side, you made me feel like I'm the world, and you're the moon. I can't go on without being with you, inseparable. All of the stars in the night sky shine bright, but I only got my eyes on you, because we got something more to give. We got something more within. Let it out and show the world tonight. Without the moon, there'd be no wave. Without the stars, there'd be no space. When I got you by my side, you made me feel like I'm the world, and you're the moon. I can't go on without being with you, inseparable. Days are changing, I keep fading. Maybe one day we'll find a way. And I still wonder why we lost our love tonight. Before you leave my side, just hear what's on my mind. I know we're barely holding on. Heart's empty every time you're gone. So can we give this one more try? 'Cause you make it hard to say goodbye. Whoa, oh, 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 oh,
Yo, welcome to another Hyperdrive Live trading session. I am your host, Coach CJ, and I'm excited for you to be here. We'll be live in a few moments trading the Nasdaq futures market using the Hyperdrive system. If this is your first time trading with me, buckle up, because we trade a fast-paced but simple, color-coded, and highly efficient system I created to be in and out of the markets in 90 minutes or less. If after watching this session you want to learn this system, grab my Hyperdrive instruction manual with the link in the description. You'll be added to our private community and receive 30 days of live trading for free on Zoom with zero delay. Before we start, do me a big favor and make sure you like, subscribe, and share this stream with others. I greatly appreciate that gesture of support. All right, the market is about to open soon, so let's get this session started. See you in 3, 2, 1. Enjoy the show. Yo, what's going on, everybody? Happy Friday. Good morning to you guys. Happy Friday. Let me know in the chat you guys can hear me. What's up, George, Juliet, Christine, Cindy, Bob, Amy, Sevens from Juliet. Thank you. What's up, everybody watching on YouTube as well? Let me know sounds coming through there. And we got people in the waiting room. Alrighty. We're in a stalemate right now. 1, 3, and 5 are all over the place. What's up, Dustin? What up, Jazzy J? What up, Nicole? Oh, did we just open up? Oh, it's 9:28. All right, we are pushing back up now. Looks like we'll go and hit this daily target here, 529.75. That seems pretty easy for the open. Above that is 21.617. We're possibly coming back in alignment right now on all time frames. We got to get a higher high to get back in alignment on the one. Oh, no, we don't. We just need to close above 483. The 3-minute was just needing volume. So we got 125 left in this candle. So we'll see what happens. We're putting in a bullish engulfing. We just put in a bearish engulfing. We had a had a bullish, then a bearish, now another bullish here with 113 left in this candle. We're back at 21,500. News, we do have some at 10 a.m. Red folder news at 10. All right, we got a minute to go and we'll see what happens. So we just tapped into this pretty nicely and we're getting resistance from this one. Yeah, random. Super random one too. Bullish engulfing on the one. Volume is low. I mean, this could really go either way. Our mornings have been very stale and choppy, and this seems like already from a volume perspective, that's kind of how we're looking already right now. But we'll see. Market's about to open up here in 25 seconds. What's up, Matt? What's up, Lars? Yeah, I mean, 529 seems pretty easy. It could be too easy for the market to just go and grab it, but we're about to find out. We're about to find out. All right, so 3-minute did close back red, so that's in a stalemate. 1 minute stayed red, or it might be coming back red. In order for the 5-minute to go red, it could be going stalemate after this. Oh, sorry, I thought I switched. I didn't. Needs to close below 411 and flip the volume. So. It's like we got Asia low right here, London low right there. Yesterday's low at 21,192. One minute is in alignment for sales. 3-minute has a minute 15 left, and it could also be in alignment for sales. 5-minute needs to close below 410, and then it would be up to the volume.
15 seconds to go. 3-minute quick flip here is close. And it did. Okay. What up, Bryant? All right. 5-minute is still blue. This opening bell is pretty interesting. We came down here pretty strongly and then we just halted and just stopped right at this low. Right at 425. It was strong down and then just stopped. Oh, snap. Got to do something. There we go. There's some continuation. I'm gonna go back on the 5-minute. because we should be close. Yeah, we're close to that bottom there. Oh, Paula, I just saw your message. Crazy. I'm looking for the manual chat. There it is. Oh no, that's not it. Where is it? There it is. There we go. All right. Oh, you heard that? You heard the cha-ching? Yeah. Joel's calling out another gold. Okay. We didn't flip. We got 12 seconds left in this candle. We're holding strong here at these bottoms, pushing off of it pretty nicely down there. About to put in a, well, still 2 minutes left in this candle. We're going to be waiting for news. I'm assuming at this point, this red photo news coming in should send us in one direction or the other. Okay, that bullish engulfing candle got ate up. Minute left in this candle. Oops, sorry y'all. People in the waiting room. My bad, y'all. Hope y'all weren't waiting long. All right, 3:30 left here. It's honestly close to flipping and the volume at the same time. We'll see what happens. Still got a lot of time in this candle, but we're back down there at the 410 area. The 3-minute candle and the 5-minute close will end up being the same. All right, so I'm gonna jump back to the 3. We're waiting on the 5-minute to close. If it closes and we can get the volume there, we'll see what happens. We did just close below 21,400. No problem, Kenny. Welcome. We're just hopping on. We're just waiting. We're almost in alignment here. This 5-minute is pretty bearish right now. Bearish engulfing. It could close with the volume and below the trend. It's already below the trend. Still got 212 left in this candle though. Last minute in this 5, we're bouncing off 400, pushing back above here. Getting a bullish engulfing candle on the 3-minute. All right, so we're still in the stalemate here. Did close bearish engulfing here on the 5-minute, so we'll see if that continues. Close below the HDL as well. See if that holds it down. This candle did open with the volume being red. It is 9:45, so we're in the last 15 minutes for our red photo news. Even the 15-minute candle was bearish engulfing. We are just moving sideways. This is all yesterday's price action. Afternoon, the morning up, afternoon back, and then just to chop into it. This market, hence the consolidation, hence the stalemate, because we literally can go either way right now. This looks like an 886 retracement off of this impulse down. We have a slow chop up, and then we start speeding back down. Or the opposite. This is an 886 retracement here. Push up, come right into it, respond, and head through. Hence the stalemate. What's this, bud? All right, we're about to be in the bottom of the hour once this candle finishes, and then 10 minutes from news. We are just hanging around here. It's the same spot we stopped, and we had a little bit of action, and then now we're right back in the same area. What is that? A little inverse head and shoulders there action happening. A little bat. Bearish engulfing candle is not continuing on the 5. Still have the trend, so the volume can easily come back. This needs to hurry up. I got a hard stop at 10:30 today. What is needed to flip back to buys? Just higher highs and volume. You don't even really need a higher high on the 1. You just need to close above 43 and then get the volume. On the 3-minute though, you need a higher high and volume. No problem. All right, we're in the bottom of the hour now. What's everybody up to this weekend? Speaking of this weekend. Really don't have no news on Monday or Tuesday. Tuesday, we definitely don't have no news. Monday, at least we have some yellow folders during our session. Got 2 for gardening and 1 for puppies. I would love for this I would love for this tap the trade to go where it's supposed to go. Everything's just very stall right now. Bearish engulfing candle on the 3. The only thing that we have right now is bearish internal structure right here on the open. Everything else is pretty whack right now, which has been literally our price action all week. Which tells me next week we're going to have smooth action. Headed to a funeral. Sorry to hear that. Yeah, well, I'm gonna be, oh yeah, she's gonna make us wait for the news. Yes. At this point, I'm hoping for sales. Oh, never mind. That TTT didn't work out. At this point, I'm hoping for sales because that'd be the easiest to get into. Well, actually, it really doesn't matter. I mean, the only thing that we'll have to do is wait for the volume on the 1 or the 3, but I am tired of waiting. I'm getting a little impatient here. All right, news in 5 minutes. We still need to close not too far. Close below 412 on the 5-minute candle. New 5-minute candle just came in. Sheesh. Got a lot of puppies. All right, we're heading in the wrong direction to be getting into alignment on the 5-minute. Hey, Jimmy. I didn't know you were here. You're so quiet. All right, 90 seconds.
Long way from home we are, not looking back, not looking back. It's so far to go now. We're thinking about where we've been and how far we have to go now. Oh, will you be my home? Away from home now, my home. Away from home now, I'll run. Oh, oh, let's run to our home. Run, run, home, home. Let's run, run, home, home. Let's run, 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 run,
Jerking down.
in the dark, don't know where this road is leading. I fell hard, and I saw history repeating. Lost my heart, there's nothing that I wouldn't do, wouldn't do.
I like the direction. If it comes back to 450, you're gonna rebel. You know what? I think that's the first time you've ever said it before you did it. Or do you want me to talk you out of it? Why'd you tell me? I don't know, man. When it comes to a high quality rebel, I'm not 100% sold on that one. I mean, okay. I could see why you would build a case for that. It actually hasn't been retested yet on the 1 minute. So there's a lot of liquidity buildup going on right there. And there's an imbalance from the opening bell candle right there as well. And there's a J4 right there on the 3. And there's a J4 right there on the 5. Okay, all right. I see where you're going with that, Ken. I'm not taking it. I'm not taking it. I'm gonna let Kid have that one by himself. I don't want to stand in his way. You know me, when I rebel, it don't work out. So I don't want to put no juju on his rebel. I mean, we're mostly in alignment for sales too, so there's that. If you had like a point scale, I would say it's 5 points since we are almost there. Just don't have this little bitty of a trend. It's a strong case. I'm just not doing it personally. Just feel that little baby gap it made when it opened up on the news candle. We should. You're right. You're 100% right. There's the reverse correlation between gold and Nas. Should be. Yesterday, they both were bound up. But they both are struggling right now. You know, here comes Ken's rebel opportunity. Oh, she gonna be like that to you on your rebel opportunity? I wasn't close, so it was 448. Oh man. Left you there. Left you standing there. Oh man. Oh, that's so rude, Ken. 340 left in this 5-minute candle. Well, we might be in alignment here. Watching to see if we close below 400. 340, 230 left in the 3-minute candle. Yeah, she came up there and filled in that little gap that it made with the news. You guys have this little gap on your chart, right? It's not just me, right? Like between the 9:57 and the 10 o'clock candle. You don't have this little separation? Where 9:57 closed at 441 and 10 o'clock opened at 138? Really? Bro, what the heck? Why do I always get these little random gaps? Oh, you guys are right. You don't. Never mind. I'm not a fan of any of this. Gold's working out though. Well, she might be coming back for you, Ken. I haven't seen price action like this in a long time. I guess we've been getting spoiled with just smooth price action. Slowing the market down. This was yesterday's opening market. Just literally the same as... Well, I mean, we finally took off at 1036. We already, well, it was, yeah, 10:36. It was found its bottom. We had already exhausted 2 opportunities though. This was Wednesdays. Terrible. Tuesdays was good. Tuesday was the only good day. Tuesday we caught 60 points. We had that first opportunity where we got taken out of break even, then we re-entered, moved up 10, got taken out, and then we re-entered one more time, and we closed the session, and I ended up hitting TP. So Tuesday was good, and then Monday was pretty much the same as the rest of the week. Very choppy. Turn off that light, please. Yeah, the light you turned on. And the other light. Why you turn that light on? Turn it off too. You're not even down here. Go turn that light off. I can't with this dude. Somebody come get this kid. Have you guys, has anybody with kids seen that that duck movie called Migration? So that's what he was just doing. I don't know if you heard him. You know that part where when one of the little baby ducks goes, please? That's all he does now. He just does that every time he wants something, and he does that. This is so terrible. Where's Trump at? Tell him to tweet something. Like I'm open to trading Monday and Tuesday, by the way, just because this week's been so trash. I believe that next week will probably be a lot smoother. So although we only have yellow folders on, we're definitely gonna trade Monday, but Tuesday we don't have anything during our session. Typically that would be a day I wouldn't trade, but I'm open to checking it out. Just because we really haven't had anything this week other than that one day. And I'm about to throw this day away and head to the golf course. I'm giving this 9 minutes. Jalen got left also, 5-minute J4. Oh, wow, yeah, yep. Man, that Rebel entry is looking better and better, Ken. Yeah, that red photo didn't do nothing. It was another pump fake. Yeah, 450 entry looks real good. We got 3 minutes left. We might be onto something here. The only good thing about waiting is that we did pick up more volume on the 5-minute chart, so things are looking better. 3-minute volume picked up 2, 1-minute volume. It's the only thing that looks divergent right now. But we shall see. $2.15 left in this candle, and again we're bouncing back up from this spot. The 5-minute and the 3-minute candle are all the same time. Yeah, the price action on both are pretty terrible. They're slowly just chopping until they pop. "90 seconds. Ain't happening now, don't look like. Just put a bullish engulfing candle on the 3. Starting to fail to go lower here. This is my last candle, fam. Last 5-minute candle for me. We are going to be live on Monday. You still taking 450, Ken? Jalen? Still waiting on your 5-minute J4. It's heading, it seems like it's heading back up there. New 15-minute candle just opened up. It's at 434, 33. Here she comes for you guys. Oh, is she going to give you the touch or give you a wave and buy? 46, 49, there it is. Hope it works out. Good luck on that shot. Looks good. I like the Rebel. It built the case for it. All right, y'all. If this can lead, if their Rebel entry can lead to a lower low, this builds a strong volume case for this to continue to push down at minimum to these lows. You have two lows right here. You have London low and you have Asia low right there. So if this can work out where they're in at, it can lead to a lower low here in this internal structure here. Flip side of that, if it doesn't, could lead to the obviously could lead to the upside here, but it would be looking to target the daily high of 617. This one would be easily taken out at 529. You need to get above 508 to really see that flip, but mostly in alignment for sales. So hopefully that works out for those two of you guys that just grabbed that rebel entry. It is, you got buyers against you down here, a lot of them, man. A bullish engulfing candle. So let you guys do your thing there. 1020. I am signing off. No trades for me today. Thanks. Hit them straight and far. I don't really know how straight they're going to be today. This is my first round out. Although, in my mind, they're going really straight. Like, so straight that I'm thinking I only need to take one ball with me today. But at the same time, I got a bag full of them. I will see you guys on Monday. Took it on your practice account. That was a good take on practice. Have an amazing weekend, everybody. You're welcome. Have an amazing weekend. We'll be back Monday. If you guys need anything from me in between now and then, just feel free to hit me up on Telegram. Peace out for now. Thanks for watching on YouTube. See y'all.